Hi everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to study what is the difference between where and having clause. So this is the most frequently asked question in interview, and it's makes a lot of confusion. So through this video I will try to make you understand. So let's start with this video. So where it's filter data at row level, and having its filter data at group level. It used with aggregate function, and most of the time it used with group by clause. So what is the aggregate function? Aggregate function is sum, min, max, average, count. These are the aggregate function, and where it's filter data at row level. So let's say example like where select star from employee, it will select all the column, all the records from this employee table, and where region id greater than 3, and it will filter at row level. It will filter individual row like where region id is greater than 3. So it will give me the records where region id is greater than 3. So this is the where clause, and having it filter data at group level. Like here I want to count employee id department wise. So for this I will select count employee id department from employee, and I will group by department name. Group by basically makes the records unique, and after group by we will use having clause. So with having there is having, most of the time having always used with aggregate function like count, sum, if count, sum, max, average, min. So here count, it's grouping the data, it's grouping all the it's grouping employee id department wise. So so this is about the having clause. Like having clause always with aggregate function, it's grouping the data and then it filter, and it's always used with group by clause. So now the question comes like can we use where and having clause together in a query? So yes, of course we can use where and having in a query. So let's see how. Like select count employee id department from employee where department not equal to tool. So first of all it will execute where query. Like it will give me all the department name which is not equal to tool, and after that it will group by department, and then it will give me count which is greater than 10. So here it's grouping the employee id, it's grouping the employee id, and then it will filter the data which is greater than 10. It will give me all the records which is where employee id department wide is greater than 10. So let's understand with this help of Postgres applications. So like this. So if I will so this is the query. Suppose, so here I am deleting this having clause. Let's first understand how where clause works. So here I write select count employee id department from group, from table name employees where department not equals to tools. So first of all it will filter at row level. It will give me all records, all the department name which is not equal to tool. So let's execute this query. Department not equals to tool, group by department. So here it gave me all the department name excluding tools. So and it's group by departments, and grouping the department makes the department name unique. And now I will use having. Now I will use having clause. Having count employee id greater than 10. So here it like this count, this employee id is aggregated. Now it's in group. So it will filter those employee id department wise which is greater than 10. So let's execute this query and let's see. Now it gave me the result which is greater than 10. So now you can see like employee ID is giving all the employee ID which is greater than 10. So this was all about the like where and difference between where and having clause, and I hope it's clear to you. So if my video is helping you, then please do consider like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.